Hello, my friend. This is Charlotte, and I am very happy you are here with me. Today, I want to talk about something powerful, something that can shape your entire life, becoming the best version of yourself. I know that phrase can sound big, maybe even a little dramatic, but do not worry. We are going to take it step by step, in a warm and human way. Think of this episode like a calm walk together, not a race. Just you and me, exploring what is possible for your mind, your habits, and your English. Becoming the best version of yourself is not about changing who you are. It is about discovering what is already inside you. It is like polishing a diamond. The diamond is valuable even before the polish, but it shines brighter when you take care of it. You already have strengths, dreams, stories, and talents. Maybe you do not always see them, especially on difficult days, but they are there, waiting to grow. Think about your life right now. Maybe you want to improve your health, your habits, your confidence, your English, your career, or even your relationships. Becoming your best self does not mean fixing everything at once. It means choosing one small step and taking it with intention. It might be waking up 10 minutes earlier, reading a page of a book, learning a new word in English, drinking more water, or simply speaking to yourself with a little more kindness. I want you to imagine your best self for a moment. Not a perfect person, not someone with a perfect job or perfect body or perfect schedule. I mean the version of you who wakes up with purpose, who keeps moving even when things are not easy, who learns a little more each day, who speaks with honesty, who treats others and yourself with respect. And here is something important. You do not have to wait for a special moment to start. Many people think the journey begins on Monday, or next month, or after they solve all their problems. But your transformation begins right now, with this moment, with this choice to listen, to learn, and to believe in yourself even a little more. So stay with me, breathe deeply, and let us continue building this version of you. One word, one thought, and one action at a time. Let us continue our journey together. When people think about becoming the best version of themselves, they sometimes imagine a dramatic moment, a giant transformation, or a sudden burst of motivation that changes everything. But real growth is quieter. It is slower. It is a little like planting a seed. You do not scream at the seed to grow faster. You simply water it consistently and trust the process. The same is true for you. Many learners ask me, "Charlotte, how do I stay motivated?" The truth is that motivation is wonderful, but it is not stable. It comes and goes like the weather. What really shapes your future is consistency. Small steps, repeated again and again, can transform your life in ways you cannot imagine right now. You do not need to run a marathon. You just need to take the next step. Let me give you an example. Imagine you want to improve your English. Some days you feel strong and excited, and you study for an hour. Other days you feel tired, busy, or overwhelmed, and you do nothing. This pattern makes progress feel random. But if you study for just 10 minutes every single day, you will learn far more in the long term than with one big study session each week. Consistency is like brushing your teeth. You would not brush for 2 hours on Sunday and skip the rest of the week. That would be strange and probably dangerous. Instead, you brush a little every day because small daily actions protect you. Your habits work the same way. They protect your goals. Now, I want you to think of one area of your life where you want to grow. It can be your English, your health, your discipline, your confidence, or your mindset. Choose just one. Trying to change everything at once is like trying to lift 5 heavy boxes at the same time. You will drop them all. But if you lift one box, then another, you make steady progress. Imagine this. Your future self is watching you from a distance. They see your effort. They see your small actions. They see the way you keep going even when nobody else notices. Your future self is cheering for you. They are proud of every tiny movement you make in the right direction. And remember, you do not need to be perfect. Perfection is not the goal. Progress is. Every day you choose a positive action, even a small one, you are building a stronger, wiser, calmer version of yourself. So keep walking forward with confidence. You do not need a dramatic change. You need daily commitment. And step by step, you will see how powerful your consistency truly is. Let us go a little deeper now, because becoming the best version of yourself is not only about habits or routines. It begins inside your mind. Your thoughts are like the steering wheel of a car. If your steering wheel is pointing right, but your feet want to go left, you will feel stuck, confused, and frustrated. To move forward with confidence, your thoughts and your actions must travel in the same direction. Many people underestimate the power of mindset. They think success comes only from hard work, long hours, or big opportunities. Those things help, of course, but your mindset decides how you react when challenges appear. And trust me, challenges always appear. Even the most successful people face doubts, fear, and bad days. The difference is that they do not let those moments define them. Let me tell you a simple truth. Your mind believes what you repeat. If you often tell yourself, "I cannot do this," your brain listens. If you say, "I always fail," your brain accepts it as reality. But if you gently change the message even a little, your future begins to change too. Imagine saying to yourself, "I am learning," or "I am improving," or "I am trying again today." These small, positive sentences are like soft lights in a dark room. They do not remove the darkness instantly, but they help you see a clearer path. Let us try something together. I want you to take one sentence you often tell yourself, especially on difficult days. Maybe it is, "I am not good enough," or "I always make mistakes," or "My English is terrible." Now, rewrite it in a kinder, more supportive way. For example, instead of "My English is terrible," try, "My English is growing every day and I am proud of my effort." Instead of "I cannot change," try, "I am learning new ways to grow, one step at a time." Notice that the sentence is still honest. We are not pretending everything is perfect. We are simply choosing a perspective that helps you move instead of stopping you. Mindset is also about patience. Growth rarely feels fast. Sometimes it feels like nothing is happening, but inside you, changes are forming quietly. Think about exercising. The first week, you see nothing. The second week, still nothing. But suddenly, one day, you notice that you can lift more, you can run farther, or your body feels stronger. Your mind works the same way. You may not see the progress immediately, but if you keep practicing healthier thoughts, your confidence begins to rise. There will be days when your motivation feels low. There will be mornings when your mind feels heavy. That is normal. On those days, be gentle with yourself. Your best self is not perfect. It is persistent. Stay open, stay curious, and keep walking with courage. You are becoming stronger from the inside out, and that inner strength will guide every part of your journey. Now that we have explored the power of consistency and the importance of a strong mindset, it is time to talk about something many people forget: letting go. Sometimes, becoming the best version of yourself is not about adding more. It is about releasing the thoughts, habits, and fears that quietly hold you back. Imagine trying to run with a heavy backpack full of old memories, past mistakes, and doubts. You can move, yes, but everything feels harder than it should. When you let go of that weight, your steps become lighter, your thoughts become clearer, and your heart becomes calmer. One thing that often holds people back is comparison. It is so easy to look at someone else's life and think, they are moving faster than me, or they are better than me. But comparison steals your energy. It steals your joy. It steals your progress. The truth is that your journey is unique. Your timing is unique. Your struggles, your strengths, your dreams. None of them are supposed to look exactly like someone else's. Think of life like a garden. Every flower blooms in its own time, with its own color and shape. Your growth does not dim anyone else's, and their growth does not dim yours. Another heavy weight is the fear of failure. Many people never start because they are afraid they will make mistakes. But mistakes are proof that you are trying. They are simply part of the journey. Imagine learning to ride a bicycle. You fall, you wobble, you laugh a little, you cry a little. But eventually, you learn to balance. Life works the same way. Falling is not the end. It is the beginning of becoming stronger. I also want to remind you to forgive yourself for the moments when you were not your best. Maybe you gave up on a goal. Maybe you spoke unkindly to yourself. Maybe you stayed in your comfort zone for too long. That is all right. Forgiveness is not about forgetting. It is about giving yourself permission to move forward. You cannot become your best self if you are always punishing your past self. Ask yourself a simple question. What is one thing I need to let go of today? It can be a fear, a negative thought, a bad habit, a toxic comparison, or even an unrealistic expectation. Say it gently in your mind. Take a breath, and imagine yourself placing it on the ground and walking away from it, step by step. Letting go is not weakness. It is strength. It is the courage to choose peace over pressure, growth over guilt, and progress over perfection. When you release what no longer serves you, you create space for the version of yourself who is ready to rise. As we come to the heart of this journey, I want you to take a moment and feel proud of yourself. Truly proud. You have listened. reflected, and opened your mind to new possibilities. That alone is a powerful step toward becoming your best self. People often think transformation requires a dramatic announcement or a perfect plan. But real change begins quietly. It begins with awareness, with honesty, with the decision to try again today. Becoming the best version of yourself does not happen in a single moment. It grows through many small and brave choices. The choice to wake up when it is easier to stay in bed. The choice to study a little English when your mind feels tired. The choice to speak kindly to yourself when your thoughts turn negative. The choice to try again after a mistake. These choices build the foundation of your future. I want you to imagine your life as a long hallway filled with doors. Each door represents a possibility, a chance, a new direction. You do not need to open all of them. You do not need to run. All you need to do is choose one door today and step through it with intention. Tomorrow you choose another. And slowly your path becomes brighter, clearer, and more aligned with the person you want to be. And remember this: becoming your best self is not a destination. It is a continuous practice. There will be days when you shine and days when you struggle. There will be mornings when your energy is strong and nights when you feel lost. That is part of being human. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to pause. You are allowed to grow at your own pace. What matters is that you do not stop believing in your potential. You are becoming stronger not because you are perfect, but because you keep going. You are learning not only new words and new skills, but new ways of thinking, new ways of treating yourself, and new ways of facing challenges with courage. This journey is shaping you from the inside out, gently and steadily. So as we finish this episode, I want you to take a deep breath. Feel the progress you have made today. Feel the hope inside you, even if it is small. Feel the quiet confidence growing with every choice you make. Tell yourself, with honesty and kindness, I am becoming the best version of myself, step by step. Carry that sentence with you. Let it guide your decisions, your actions, and your mindset. You do not need to rush. You simply need to continue. Thank you for walking with me today. Keep growing, keep believing, and keep moving forward with courage. Your best self is already on the way. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to follow Speak Power Daily for more motivating stories and clear English practice. Share this episode with someone who needs a little encouragement today. And remember to leave a comment telling me one small step you will take to become your best self. Your journey matters, and I will be here to guide you every day.